Hello everyone, it's Shannon with Shannon's Crafty DIYs. Welcome to my channel. Today I am in a fun challenge. It is spring forward. I am going to go through the challenge a little bit later in the video. Today I have 3 DIYs, well 2 DIYs and one I'm going to show you how I decorate my tiered tray for spring. So I am super excited to go ahead and share these DIYs with you. I would love it if you guys could go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube world. All right, guys, let's begin with the DIYs. So for this first DIY, guys, this is the simplest, but yet super effective. Looks so much more high-end than what it is. I am taking 3 of these 5x7 picture frames from the Dollar Tree, just removing the plastic. They are white. They do look high-end considering they are from the Dollar Tree. The back is a little bit flimsy, but you can't see the back, right? So these gorgeous little craft paper packs came from the Dollar Tree this year. They had this one that was super spring. They have another few that are just more like scrapbook paper or background paper. I love this one because it was all the animals that you would see typically at this time of year or in the spring. So anyway, just taking the bunny, the lamb, and the mushrooms, taking them out, putting them in the frame. And guys, this is it. I know it's like really, is it really a DIY? But I just think this looks so effective. This is great for a baby's room or just, you know, they're perfect just the way they are. I don't think I had to do too much. What do you guys think? So this challenge is called Spring Forward. We have hosts. The host is Chantel with Crafty Hints. We also have co-hosts. We have Brenda with Rustic Lace and DIY and Amanda with 6 Kids and a Glue Gun. I'm going to leave their links and I'm going to leave this awesome playlist link in the description box below. I would love it if you guys could go over and say hi and check out this wonderful playlist with some awesome, talented ladies. All right, guys, second DIYs. This is going to be a very quick and easy video, guys. I hope it's going to be great for you too. So this little paddle, it was actually a 4-pack that I picked up from Aldi back last summer. The whole pack was on sale for $4.50. There was 2 small, and these are what are considered the large ones. It was already pink. I didn't do much to that, but I'm taking this pack of rub-on transfers from the Dollar Tree, just putting the whole thing on top of the paddle. Guys, I don't know if it was the surface of the paddle, the shiny surface, but this took forever to scrape off the pictures or the images. Now, I pulled it off super slowly because you did get little pieces coming off, so I just pull off slowly, put it back down, re-scrape with my embossing tool, and then eventually it will come off as you see here. So picked up this ribbon from Michael's this year. It was on clearance. I believe this was 60% off. But I'm going to just take a ribbon. I made just a simple shoelace bow, taking some greenery from one of the picks that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. This is just all my scrap greenery. Then I'm just going to hot glue the 2 together, just like so. So these little buttons came from the Dollarama. They're $1.50 and they are super adorable. I'm going to show you in just a second here. They actually say handmade with love on them as well. So great for any time of the year. And you can also turn them around and they're blank on the other side, but I liked it on this side. So just hot gluing it to the center of the bow. And that is essentially it for this DIY. What do you guys think about this one? You guys can, everything is customizable as you guys know, but this, I love the fact that you can just stand it up on its own as well. I could have put a little jute twine in the hole of the paddle, but I left it like this. What do you guys think? So I say DIY for this one, but I'm just showing you guys here how I decorated my tiered tray. You guys know I made this one. This was the butter cookie tin from the Dollar Tree. Took it apart, spray painted the top and the bottom with white acrylic paint. That little dowel rod was a pack from Walmart in the past, so I just cut it up. It's super easy. I can try and find the video where I made that tier tray, and I'll leave it in the description box. This gorgeous little picture came from Dollar General for only $1, guys. Like Dollar General, you got to go there first sometimes before the Dollar Tree because their decor stuff is super cute and a little bit cheaper. So check it out first and then go to the Dollar Tree. You guys know that little truck was that little famous red truck that the Dollar Tree carried for so long. I just went and customized it. I painted it, and that's what it looks like. These little, what are they called? Moscow Mule little shot glasses. I bought these, like, I swear, a couple years ago on clearance from, or actually I should say pre-COVID. It was like from TJ Maxx or Burlington Coat Factory. I cannot remember, but I think they look so spring-like. I've seen people use these kind of things for their tiered trays as well. So I picked up this little string of pearl from Michael's just the other day. Michael's, I could only get a 30% off coupon, but whatever. It's still cute. I can take these apart or I can leave it on the twine. So you just see me here just putting them into the shot glasses, just kind of staging them as we go. And we'll call this little paper bag bouquet. We'll call it. I made this last year as well. I just kept it because I love this size of it. It's great for tiered trays. Just putting it in the back. And guys, this little fork and shovel was part of one of the spring decor pieces from the Dollar Tree last year. So I just kind of deconstructed it, took it apart, and hot glued the shovel and the fork together to make it look like that. And I'm just going to lean it against the dowel rod. Easy peasy. You could easily put a tumbling tower block behind it to stand it up, but it just stands up on its own here. And then just, yeah, that is it, guys. This is my little spring tiered tray. What do you guys think? Again, all your tier trays are super customizable. You can probably have things on hand that you made in the past or whatnot. Just keep them. You never know what endless possibilities you can do with your tiered trays. Guys, what do you guys think of these DIYs? I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you are new to my channel, welcome. I would love it if you guys could hit that subscribe button and just give it a big thumbs up. You guys do know I also do have an Instagram page. It is Shannon's Crafty DIYs. I love doing my videos there as well. I also love to show you what I find at the Dollar Tree too. So go ahead, say hi to me there. I would love it. So that is it. Don't forget to check out that playlist and all the hosts as well. Thank you guys so much. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.